Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre for an update of your Monday's forecast. Now on our satellite loop we see a cold front continues to move away to the east of the country, but behind it a high pressure system is ridging in along the coast and that's pushing in moisture across the area, keeping things fairly cloudy from some areas in the Western Cape through to southern KwaZulu-Natal. Over the interior it's been quite clear over the western half of the country, otherwise cloudy to partly cloudy in the north, and thunder showers have developed as usual once again for many parts of the Highveld. Now for this evening we're going to continue seeing that moisture pushing in further northwards along the eastern coastline. That's going to result in a cloudy night, and along with that we're expecting light rain in places. Partly cloudy for the Highveld this evening. There could still be a couple of thunder showers which will gradually dissipate later on, and in the west things remain dry once again. A look ahead to Tuesday, which will start off cloudy over the far eastern parts. We are expecting some drizzle and fog at first, as well as light rain along the KZN coast, and in the afternoon partly cloudy conditions will give way to a couple of thunder showers over parts of the Highveld, including in the Free State. Western South Africa will be sunny and dry tomorrow, and a very hot day expected for many places. Isolated thunder showers still possible over parts of northern South Africa today, including Johannesburg and Pretoria, Mahikeng in the northwest, as well as many areas in the Free State. And that rain is also expected along the eastern coastline and the adjacent interior, extending from just to the east of Algoa Bay all the way through to Richards Bay. Western South Africa, as I've mentioned, remains dry tonight. Cape Town will see clear conditions this evening, an overnight low of 17, still quite windy. That's southerly to southeasterly up to 40 kilometers per hour. And tomorrow the winds will drop off, and this is going to allow for a very hot day, lots of sunshine with a maximum of 33. Taking a look at the eastern coastline for this evening, and we'll see those moderate southwesterly winds gradually becoming lighter overnight and into tomorrow, while we're expecting an easterly flow to develop on Tuesday along the south coast, and that will be fresh at times for many areas. Minimum temperatures now, and it's going to be a cool evening over the southern parts of the country as well as over the eastern high ground, including much of Mpumalanga, most areas dropping below 15 degrees, but another very warm night expected for parts of the Northern Cape. Springbok at 23 just before sunrise tomorrow. And in the afternoon, temperatures will be rising into the 40s for some parts of the Northern and Western Cape. Vredendal at 41, and we're expecting a warm day in Gauteng, Johannesburg at 26, similar for Durban, but a pair of 24s has been forecast for East London and Port Elizabeth. On Wednesday, we'll still see a few thunder showers over the Highveld, light rain possible along the eastern coastline in the morning. And on Thursday, we're expecting very warm weather over western South Africa once again, where Springbok reaches a high of 40.